Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have lemon chicken with couscous. Here's what it looks like. My mom made it. And here's what it looks like on a fork. So let's try this. I don't think it's quite breaded enough, but that is pretty tasty. I like the lemon flavor. I don't really like the couscous with it, but the couscous is still pretty nice. I really like couscous. It's a nice North African, I think Moroccan dish that I think is nice and relaxing to eat. Overall, I'd have to give the couscous here a 9.2, maybe a 9.1. And the chicken 9.2 as well. It's not my favorite lemon chicken, but especially that my mom has made, but still nice and good. That'll be my review, Ed. Eat hearty, my homies.